Hi guys, do you want to start oil painting and are confused about what tools to buy? Well, then this video is for you. And these are the 5 tools that I use almost all the time because they are the most versatile and serve almost all the purposes of the oil painting that I do. And they are 1-inch landscape brush, a palette knife, a fan brush, a filbert brush, and a liner brush. And now I will be showing you a brief uses of each, starting with the landscape brush. A landscape brush can be used to make sky, foliage, trees, clouds, meadows, and so on. So let's see some strokes from that. We will do the sky first. Using a landscape brush, in no time we can do the entire area of the sky because this is a 1-inch and it's a quite large brush, so it makes our process quick. After cleaning it, we can also use it to set the sky and blend it nicely. Now I will show you how to do some clouds. Taking white in one corner of the brush, let the brush dance on the canvas. We need to wipe it in between because the brush will pick the wet color blue from the canvas, and then taking white again. Now using the other corner, we need to smudge. Cleaning the brush again. Upward strokes. We can give the puffy look to the cloud. Few more. Blending from the other corner. And so on. With the horizontal strokes of the landscape brush, we can create water. And in no time, we have our water ready. Let's clean the brush. Let's try some other strokes now. Taking some dark color. To use dark color, we can create meadows and grass. can also show trees or some short shrubs using this. We need to pull the brush from one end like this and just turning it around, and just we'll touch the canvas and pull the brush away. Saw that? Short shrubs or bushes. Some yellow color we can highlight using the same brush. So that's how you are going to use the landscape brush. Now let's see what a fan brush can do. A fan brush can be used to make clouds, distant evergreen trees, waterfall, grass, meadows. Again, there are various uses of fan brush as well. So let's see some. I'll do some distant evergreen trees with a fan brush this time. Let's see take some dark color. Colors don't matter at this time. We'll just see the strokes actually. So by just tapping it up and down, we can create a distant evergreen forest. These are the trees as well as the reflection in the water that I am creating here. Become a little darker color, but that's okay. It was the strokes that I was showing you. And with the landscape brush again, this part can be shown as a reflection in the water. How easy it is to do reflections. We can also use fan brush to pull out grass like this and so on. So those were some uses of fan brush. Let's move on to the knife now. A knife can be used to do mountains, to do water lines, stones, river banks and so on. So let me show you river bank today. I'll take some dark color again. You can highlight using the knife again. I won't go to detail much because I'm just showing you how to use it. Taking some white color, we can also create water lines. Notice that the knife should be perpendicular to the canvas and you should draw straight lines. You should cut through the canvas in straight lines. Also create water ripples like this. So that is how you will use your knife. And let us see the strokes of a filbert brush now. For your understanding, I have prepared the canvas by making a tree trunk. So let's start, and we will leave this tree. Loading the brush properly with the paint. We can make structures, umbrella like structures. And umbrellas or let's highlight the tree, some light color. Here and there. That is how you will use a filbert brush. Now I'm going to use the liner brush. This is detail work I'm going to show. So can you bring the camera closer? We can highlight the tree branches here with a liner brush, here and there, to show between the leaves. We can create, I'll show you how I created the tree branches. You can also create short twigs. These were some uses of liner brush. You can also use it to sign your name. So those were the 5 tools that I frequently use. Well, I hope you found those tips useful, and if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.